Hi everyone, my name's Aqasha, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make that 2-ingredient Oreo mug cake. And I'm not even sure when or where I saw this, but I saw it online somewhere at some point in the last month, I think, or two. And now I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. And this is my first time trying it as well, so I took some Oreos out. I decided to have a snack before starting, that's why almost an entire row was missing. So for mine, just to start off, I put in 2 and I started to smash them. I went in my garage to do this because I didn't want to wake everyone in my house up. So here's me just starting, and then I left and came back. Then I added in another 2, smashed that up some more. So after I've got this done, I went ahead and poured in some milk, and I just kind of eyeballed it. So I had put in 4 Oreos, put in some milk, and then I put in 2 more Oreos. And just to make things easier for you guys, it might be easier to use a Ziploc bag, put the Oreos in and smash them with a rolling pin rather than putting them in a ramekin or a mug and smashing them. So yeah, I smashed 4 Oreos, put in some milk, smashed in 2 more, and then I microwaved it for a minute. And I took it out, looked at it, put it back in for 10 seconds, and then another 10 seconds, which was fine. I've seen people do it for just a minute, but I did mine for a minute and 20. So here's the taste test. I actually thought it was pretty good. At first I was like, I don't know how I feel about this, but after I had that first bite and the second bite, I was like, okay, this is good. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment some suggestions that you guys want me to try out next. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you, bye.